Hey everybody, Rich from Sticky's RC, bringing you a update video on my Element and some of the upgrades that I've been making to it over the last couple of months. If you've seen some of my more recent videos, you already know that I've got a new body for it, put an interior in it with a driver. Something that I've been wanting to do with the Element was give it a little bit more of a scale look and also add some performance. So let's get to it. So to start out, I did put on a new Proline 2017 Raptor body, and I did put in the Proline late model interior, complete with John Wick as my driver and his dog. A couple of little scale details in the back seat, bucket, container, little fire extinguisher in there. Now I am still running the Hobbywing 1080 ESC that I got when I originally put this kit together. I'm also still running the Reedy Radon 16 turn. Now up in the front end, I have installed the SSD Brass Steering knuckles, the SSD bent steering and panhard bar, and the SSD aluminum diff cover. I have also recently installed a new steering servo, and that is the Zosuke 35 kilogram servo from Amazon. And so far, I've been pretty impressed. I also installed the Samix aluminum shock towers and shock tower brace. Also, I have installed those Samix aluminum shock towers on the rear as well, and the shock tower brace in the rear as well. And most recently, I installed some in the works high clearance lower links. Also want to give some shout outs to some of my YouTube friends. Operation 11 Charlie live stream Monday nights, 8 p.m. Eastern Time, 5 p.m. Pacific Time. It's a great show. A bunch of great guys hanging out, chatting about RC, help supporting our vets who suffer from PTSD. The Operation 11 Charlie program, build and give vets RCs so that they can get out and join the RC community and just in general have fun, forget about the rest of the world. Such a great program, and I am truly honored to be a part of the 11 Charlie group. So please, by all means, stop by on Monday nights, say hello, and help support our vets. Also, Friday night live stream with Steve O.D. from the 313. Live Friday night hangouts starts at 9 p.m. Eastern Time, 6 p.m. Pacific Time. Steve O.D., the Godfather, he's the man. It's always fun. We always have a great time. It's lighthearted RC chat, joking around, goofing around, just having fun. So pop in, say hello in the chat. Don't forget to check out the links below in the description for all the parts that I have in my Element kit. Also, click over on the About tab, send me an email, and send me your address, and I will send you license plate sticker and a couple Sticky's Racing stickers. And if you want to send me some stickers from your channel, you can also email me and I will email you back with my address so you can send those to me. Just wanted to wrap it up by saying thank you to everyone for watching my videos, commenting, subscribing to the channel. Really appreciate it, and just want to remind everybody to, take care of yourselves. These are crazy times, and if you have the opportunity to stay home, by all means, stay home, stay safe, spend some quality time with your family, and just hang out and enjoy one another.